If you're looking for a beautiful smartphone, 50 Neo could be it. Voila. Accessories. USB Type-C cable. Manual. Another one. A sticker. It reminds me of a TV sticker. SIM card tool. And a red book from China. And of course the case, which looks a bit different than on the side. Internet side, Motorola internet side. Those flickers in the side, a little there. I mean, on the side it was more intense. This isn't. This is like, it looks like caca. Yeah. It smells nice. Wow. Wow. Speechless. Now that is a proper look. It's one of a kind. That's the, I mean, wow. The device feels very nice in the hand. It's not too big. We have a microphone on the right side below the power button and the volume buttons, which are at correct height. You can easily reach them, one hand. At the top we do have a microphone and Dolby Atmos logo. On the left there's literally nothing. And at the bottom, SIM card tray, microphone, USB Type-C, model number and all kinds of numbers, manufacturer number, and a speaker. It all feels extremely premium, that leather. Ooh, nice. And of course, 3 cameras and a flash. Okay, let's put a case on it. I don't know, man. I don't know. It looks different. Okay, we got a lot of... is it going to protect screen? Yeah, it will. It is a little bit above the screen, just a tiny bit. And the camera? Of course it will. But I noticed that the camera is not aligned like... I mean, can I zoom in? Yeah, we can zoom. Look. If you have HD, all those cutouts are a little bit off. Even the front, look at the corners. I don't know. It definitely feels even better in the hand. I think that's the best grip I had ever in any case. Did you notice that there's no charger? I'm not subscribed for such an experience. No, charger needs to be in the case. And there it is, a full... Oh, come on, that fingerprint sensor is not that quick, but the screen looks gorgeous. It's a flagship experience screen. You see, when the screen is flat, it looks rich. And when it's round, it looks shit. But this one is 120 Hz. Smooth. That's the Google News. Okay, smooth. You see, we are dealing with very weak processor. This is just unboxing, but about the phone, and 12 GB of RAM, so that's good. Latest and greatest camera. Display is 2600. All right, and 500 GB of RAM. If we go to a display and hit colors, we can switch to radiant and natural or vivid. We switched to vivid and it was like too much. Yeah. Alright. Display refresh rate. We could have auto 60 or fix 120, and I like that. Alright, okay. Display text size. Okay, we can change the size. Dark theme, light theme. Let's switch to light. Less reflexive. Night light. Flicker. Tons of features. Personalization. Should we switch to a different wallpaper? Let's see how quick that will be. Ooh, we also have a dynamic one. Oh, I have to download all of them. Alright, let me pause the video. Okay, some of those wallpapers are BS. Look at that. Like, come on. That's zooming the picture. It's, nah. We need to have something like live, real live. That's not. What the hell? Show me a live wallpaper, my friend. Show me a live one. That's more like it. And that's one. It's too much on the screen. We need to have something. Oh, okay, okay. All right. Well, that was quick, and looks nice. And it's not glitching. I'm impressed. All right, but let me open the camera. This smartphone can record all the way to 4K 30 frames per second in front-facing camera full length of my arm. It looks good. Is it going to overexpose the sky? Woo! Great. When I'm out of the frame, it should compensate quickly. Ooh, but it's even overexposing those buildings. Autofocus? Not available. But still in 4K. Switching to the main lens. 4K 30 in wide-angle lens. Can we switch from the wide-angle lens to the telephoto? No, we cannot. We have to start from the main lens, and this is how it's going to look like. Main lens. Vlogging style. Ooh, this smartphone is beautiful. Damn. But is the video quality beautiful? Let me know in a comment below. And a little bit of telephoto for you. All the way. Oh, only 6. Ooh, damn. Not great. Alright, I have to switch manually through the lenses via 4K 30 frames per second. And that's the 10x from the telephoto. It's okay. But, like I said, manual switching, which is, I don't know. There's also a macro mode, so you can see all kinds of details. All kinds. That is super cool. Autofocus and wide-angle lens is available, but it is tricky. You see now it works. We do have macro and everything. Sometimes, see? Now it's blurry. So, a little bit of colors for you. Colors. And in the pictures, the quality is outstanding. I will leave you those pictures and come back to you in a second. Built-in speakers, stereo speakers. Wow! That's a flagship experience. After 1 day of usage, I got a little bit of glitches, especially when I'm opening and closing the camera. That glitches or tearing, it's like gaming in 5 frames per second. It's a brand new smartphone, out of the box, but unfortunately, that MediaTek processor is not powerful enough. It has tons of great features, but the bottleneck is the processor. I'm not sure what will happen after a year of usage, or maybe even less, when I install all kinds of apps and stuff. I wonder why they choose such a processor instead of Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, which you can find in other brands in a similar price. Would be much better with that Snapdragon, much better. I don't know. Wait for the full review. This is just unboxing, and I have a mixed feeling. Who knows what happened after a couple of days. Stay tuned, subscribe, and see you next video.